Yan guys ang terminal ng Bacala namin dito. Tuwing kaming papasok ay dadaan kami dito. Lagi talaga kami dito dadaan at saka bumibili ng kahit ano-ano, tinapay at saka saging, biskwit. Andun pa yung isa si ano. Hello. Hello daw. Hello. Ayan yung ano namin, engineer namin, Engineer Muin.
Hello Philippines.
Hello Philippines.
Hi, good morning.
Hello, nandun pa yung engineer namin na isa, si Engineer Juan.
Hello Philippines.
Yan, engineer from Philippines. Yan, si Faisal, engineer ng airfield. Ito din sa power plant engineer. Kulo engineer sa? Kulo engineer. Okay, Kala, Sokran, Kulo engineer, ha? Mi Mapi engineer. Thank you so much. Ang terminal, bye-bye. Yeah, alis na. Tapos na sila bumibili ng saging, biscuit, lahat. At okay, thank you for today's videos. Thank you so much.